Here we have another parcel of land for sale in Maui Bay, right up off Queens Road. It's this parcel here with a very large tree, about a quarter acre. This is next to the Moksha Fiji Temple near Saga Road. And this is on Kiro, K-I-R-O Road. Again, about a quarter acre, freehold land. You can see it's got a road going down here. Beautiful big tree here as well. Already have utilities, power, and all that accessed. So if you'd like more information on this really lovely parcel for sale, freehold land, check out professionalsfiji.com or call +679 999 2051. Manaka.